Hello everyone. So myself Veena. I am from GID College. So as a part of the skyfi labs analysis and design of tall buildings course, this is a part of my assignment. So here we are analyzing a 23-story building. So we have modeled it, have applied the live load, dead loads and wind load combinations from all the sides, and we have defined the material properties and section properties and done a model. So we are here to analyze this. So first, what shall we do? We'll analyze, and that means we'll run the analysis. So first, we'll go for run analysis. This will take a while, as it has to check through the entire beams and columns and slabs. So we have to wait and watch. So this shows the percentage of your analysis that is being run. So during the lockdown, I have taken up this course from skyfi lab, and it's really interesting, and it's a very good learning experience to learn from them because they've got all the modules. It's not only just ETABS, they have got SAFE also. So in the next part of the course, I'll be learning about the foundation design also. So what we have done basically in this analysis is that we have taken a 23-story building. The live loads are different for each set of floors. So from story 1 to 8, I have taken live load as 5 kN per meter square. And from story 9 to 14, I have taken it as 4.5 kN per meter square. And then again from story 15 to 19, I have taken it as 4 kN per meter square. And from last story, that is 20 to 23, I have taken it as 3.5 kN per meter square. And then we have defined the material properties. The material is for concrete M40, mild steel it is Fe 250, and for HYSD bar it is Fe 500. And then we have done the auto cladding, and the sections for beams and columns we have taken it as three sections of the column, that is 500 into 500, 550 into 550, and 600 into 600. And then for beams it is 500 into 300, and the other beam it is 550 into 350, and the other beam it is 600 into 400. And then what we have done, we have applied the live loads and dead loads of the claddings. So cladding dead load we have taken as 0.2 kilonewton per meter squares, and which is acting only at the exterior beams of the structure. And then we have taken the live loads and dead loads, and we have applied the wind loads on the leeward side as well as on the windward side. So referring to the IS 875 loads, wind loads part. So now your analysis is almost done. So it is showing the analyzed this one. So we'll go to design check, and then we'll go to concrete frame design, and we'll start the design check. So this will take a while again to do the design check. Yes, so it has shown you, see there are no red markings, which means that nothing is overstressed and none of your beams are failing. It is all on the pink side. So it is safe and you don't have to reiterate again. So this is your what happens if there are any members failing. It will show you a message that so and so many members are failing, would you like to reiterate? So what does reiterate means? It will go and choose the other sections what we have given already. So we had given column 500 into 500, so instead of that it will go to the other column, which is column 550 into 550. So heavier the section, then your column or your structural elements doesn't fail. So it has already reiterated and it is showing that none of this is failing. So you can zoom into any of the member that you want, and you can look into the details here, the reinforcement details. While none of that is failing, you can go to display tables, you can go to reports, you can go to the project report, summary report. So you can generate your summary report, your yeah. So it is showing you all the summary report of whatever you have done. Your entire building's summary is given, that is your reinforcement details, your detailing details, your property, material properties, everything. It is given a summarized report. Thank you for watching.